Good afternoon, this is Shubhadeep and you are watching the Cruise Life. So today's video will be basically on unboxing of 4 new items that I've ordered. First 2 is from AliExpress and the third one which I've ordered is from Amazon, and the fourth one, let it be a surprise for the time being. So without wasting much more time, let's unbox. Okay, so first things first, the first 2 items which I'm gonna unbox right now is from AliExpress.com. This is the package which I have received. It took me 20 to 25 days of time to come. It was directly shipped from AliExpress standard shipping, and it was coming from China. So let's unbox this thing. If you can see if it's open, because I just opened it before to check if everything's alright. So let's see. So 2 items, this is the one, this is the one. So unboxing this thing is called the handle guard warmer, or the hand warmer, whatever you might say. So this thing is made of cotton from the inside. As you can see, this thing is pure cotton and outside is leather. This thing, I bought it for riding during the harsh cold weathers. Mainly the last time when I rode to Gurudamar, it was too much cold to bear. It was damn cold. The temperature was like -5, -6, something like that. I saw this on a video while I was searching YouTube. In India, I could not find this on any websites. It was in Amazon, but it was too costly, like 5,000 or 6,000 rupees for these 2 pairs. But it was not worth buying. So I checked out AliExpress.com and this was it. It came for $12, I guess so. This thing is too much comfortable. No chances of water coming inside this, and you just have to open this up and put it in the handle and tie these strings in the handle. Your hand will be inside of this, so fully protected from the cold weather. So basically this is it. This is the thing. It protects from the cold and it's nice. Okay, so the second item is this, the handle heaters. This thing is from EasyToss. I have searched it on the internet and got good review of this thing. These are the 2 things. First of all, I don't know, something is inside there that heats up while it's on the USB. So this is the USB. These are the wires. You just put this on the handle. You can see there is Velcro straps up there, and you just have to strap it up like this in your handle, and you have to plug this in on the USB port, and this thing goes in your bike's USB port. You have the remote in here. As you can see, you can control high, middle, low. This is high, this is middle, this is low. You have to just press this button and control this thing, and this thing heats up. And I've tried this thing and it heats quite well, so it's worth a buy. I haven't just took it out for a ride, so I have to check this next time I go to some place colder. So let's see if this works or not. The third product is this. This is a mini tripod stand, and I haven't opened it till now. It has come from Amazon and it costed me like 700 bucks. Okay, so let's unbox it. Relax. So this is it. This is the box. So let's open this up and see. It's a tripod bag. Yeah, it's a bag. Okay, so this is the mobile holder and this is the tripod. I guess it's made up of metal, I guess so. So it's a nice product, quite sturdy. You can plug anything. You can plug the mobile. You can just put on the mobile in this with this thing, or your action cam, or your DSLR, SLR camera, anything. So this thing is nice. It has got a good review. Let's try how the vlogging goes on this. So the fourth and the last thing which I've ordered, it's quite an amazing thing, And this thing is, let me show you. So I was waiting for this product for long of time, and finally I received this. It's from the Road Gods, and it's the Gods Ghost backpack. Let me show you. It's quite good. So this is the backpack I'm talking about, the Road Gods Ghost. If you can see, this is Ghost written in here. So without further ado, let me open the chains. It's quite well because the chain is on the back side, nothing is on the front, no pockets, nothing. This is a quite nice material, and on the back side something meshy up there. Okay, so this is the internal portion. This is the God Zipper bottle, and I got it for free. This is the rain cover of this bag. That's nice. It's written up here as something free gift. Activate your warranty and claim your free gift worth ₹400. Surely gonna do that. So this is the product manual. So let me show you how many pockets are there, how many things I can keep. This is the internal part of this bag. As you can see, first of all, this is the laptop pocket. One. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth, fifth. Two velcros up there. I don't know, for putting pens or headphones, I guess so. Another one, and I guess another one. So in here, okay, so this is another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pockets in here. Yeah, for the bottles. 10. Another one in here. 11. 12 pockets. Grand total of 12 pockets in this Ghost backpack. This is a quite worth of value. So this backpack I have ordered it from roadgods.com, the official site of Road Gods. It was a combo offer of this and the rain cover. If you buy it from the Road Gods official site, you get this combo offer and also the God Zipper bottle for free. In Amazon you won't get it because it's not in the offer. You have to, like, 2200 is for this bag and 249 is for the rain cover. But if you order it from Amazon, you have to pay extra 400 for the rain cover. And so these are the 4 things I have reviewed today. And if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if there are some questions or issues regarding these reviews or the product, if you want to ask me, just comment me down in the comment section below. I'll be ready to help you and serve you better. So this is Shubhadeep signing off for today.